What's up guys, RB here, and today we're going to have a bit of a look at Filmora 13's VFX and animated titles. These really nifty little titles are a great way to boost that video of yours and make it look that extra bit professional. Let's have a look.
Okay, so we're going to have a look in the titles section in Filmora, and as you can see there's lots of little subheadings, so plain text, 3D titles, VFX text, which is what we're going to have a look at, and many others that are themed. So I know there's a neon one and a love themed one, so I'm going to select this one. It's called Rainy. Now I put it next to a video of people walking in the rain, so I felt that this one sort of summed it up pretty well. As you can see, the VFX, the effects are really quite nice, matches my video perfectly. That looks really good. Now, I can change the text on this, I can change the size, I can change the font, the colors, all sorts of things. So I'm just going to change it to Storm and have a bit of a look. Again, it doesn't alter the animations. You can put any sort of word in there you want to suit your project. Now, I'm going to go into the cinematic section and have a look at this video called The End. Now, there's lots of different ones available that you can use to finish or start your movie themed project. But have a look at this one. I really love the cartoon sort of vibe to it. So it's sort of like a comic or maybe sort of an edgy horror film. Okay, now I want to put some text within the video. So I saw one earlier in the VFX text that kind of had some, I guess, some blue and some bubbles in it. So I'm going to use that on it. Now it says welcome. Now that could just be a travel video, the start of something like that. Now obviously I can just move it around if I want. Look at that. The animation looks great on that one. I really enjoy that one. You can change the text and location of the text on your screen. Now without further ado, let's have a look and see what I did with it.
Hello everybody, and welcome to Kids Playhouse. I'm your host, RB, and today I'm going to share with you my 3 favourite letters. The first being A, the second B, and the lucky last C. Let's look at A. A starts with apple. Apple. A tasty treat for you and your friends. B stands for ball. A fun game for you and your friends to play. And C starts with cat. A lovely little cuddly creature that here at Kids Playhouse we love. And that wraps up my 3 favourite letters. What's your favourite letter? Alright, bye for now. And that's a wrap guys. I really hope you enjoyed my video today. And if you like my video, please subscribe, put a comment on, see where you are in the world, and as always, have a great day.